help you?
Yes, can I get the deluxe double quarter pounder with cheese?
You want a double quarter pounder with cheese?
Yeah, the deluxe version.
We don't have no deluxe on the double quarter. The deluxe is on the quarter pounder.
Give me that.
You want the meal?
Yes, please, with
drink?
Coke Zero.
Anything else?
That's it. The app does show a double quarter pounder deluxe, for the record. Hello.
You can pull over there.
Thank you.
I'm trying to work for you and be outdoors, man.
Do what?
I'm trying to work for you and be outdoors.
Yeah. Well, you might be. I'm shooting a video right now. It's going to be on my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, make me famous. Hey, mama.
Look on. Come on in here. Look at that camera.
Hey,
Right there.
mama.
There you go.
Hey,
My
girl.
McDonald's dude, man.
Have a good one.
See you, buddy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling a little stupid right now. Sitting in my car here talking, holding up a burger, and I had forgotten to hit record. Ain't like the first time that's ever happened. Guys, I'm reviewing the McDonald's Deluxe Quarter Pounder with cheese. As you've seen earlier, I ordered a double Deluxe Quarter Pounder with cheese. And even though the app says they have this burger, nice young lady says it didn't. So we're doing a quarter pounder with cheese, the deluxe version, and I've already taken a bite, so I'm gonna show you the other side. That's what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what's left of it. I'm gonna taste it for you anyway. Let me get in here and you know, I'll give you my take again. I'm gonna go ahead and take another bite. You know, this is good. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as what it is. With the, I mean, it's just a cheeseburger with lettuce and tomatoes and mayonnaise, which makes it good. But it's still got that little quarter pounder flavor to it that's unique to itself. It didn't steal away. It didn't steal away from the quarter pounder. And you know that unique flavor the quarter pounder has with the onions and generally some mustard and ketchup. I don't know if there's mustard and ketchup on here. I don't think there is. Yeah, there might be. I can't tell. But anyway, yeah, it's very tasty. Will I go to it over the regular quarter pounder? Probably not. Or maybe once in a while. But yeah, this is good. I approve it. I'm going to take another bite for you. Set that aside. Take a drink of my Coke Zero I got. Could have went with the small one, to be honest with you. And got a standard fry. I should have done a small one that as well. So guys, that is good. McDonald's fries are always good. They're not as good as they used to be, I must say. I don't know what they changed, but it's not the same. So, I'm just saying. Just saying. Guys, thanks so much. I'm enjoying doing these little reviews for you. And I'll keep doing them as long as you don't scream at me. The McDonald's Deluxe Quarter Pounder with cheese. I'm giving it a thumbs up. It's a pretty good sandwich. I really enjoyed that. I'm going to finish it for sure. Especially since I didn't get my double. I wanted a double. I'm kind of a little upset over that. Guys, thank you so much. Again, please hit that like button. It helps the channel out a lot. Subscribe to us if you have not already. And guys, hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.